So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video, I'm about to show you guys how you can create an ad listing website. Right here, that right, an ad listing website where you can actually make ads. You know, as ads, as advertisement, where you can advertise your product, your brand, your services, and so on and so forth. So this project is going to cover all of those for you, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually set this project up. Are you going to set exactly this kind of project up? So we'll be starting from creating ads, then later on we'll move to the site settings, and at the last end of the video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually set up the site. Okay, so quickly let's get started. Let's see what we have right here. So we have the all categories. So we have cooking utensils, we have phone and computers, we have scripts and softwares. Okay, so the user can also log in, right? They can also create an account. You can create an account, you can log in. So if we come right here and let's say we want to create an account. Okay, let's say we want to create an account. So let me create an account right now. So let me say this account is gonna be Prosper West. So email address, let me say, okay, let me just use any of my mail I have around here. So let me see, what mail is this? So this pingspolicy@gmail.com. So let's use pingspolicy@gmail.com. So let me say pingspolicy@gmail.com. So a user also can go ahead and create ads. Okay, so let's see the password. Okay, let's go ahead and sign up. So pings policy, let's confirm the pings policy again. police. Okay, so that's it. So next we're going to do is let's click on sign up. All right, so this user has actually signed up. You can also create email SMTP. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do that. Okay, so we have overview, our public profile, right? You can click on dashboard right there. Let me make a zoom of 125. Okay, 125 is okay. So we have post listing. You have reached your listing limits, please upgrade your plan. Okay, that means this user is going to upgrade his plan. So let's come to plan right here, then let's click on upgrade plan. So let's say get pricing, paper ads. Okay, let's say we want to get pricing. So we have, you can see this project is also awesome. So let's say we have paper ads, we have basic, we have standard. So let me go ahead and say, okay, I want to get this standard right here. So I click on get started. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to choose what payment method I want to use. Let me say I want to use mobile pay, I want to use PayPal, I want to use Razor Pay, I want to use Paystack. So let me say I want to use Paystack right here. I'm not sure I've set up this payment method. I'm not sure I've set up this payment method. So invalid amount sent. So let's quickly log into the admin right here. Let's log into the admin. So let's quickly set up our payment method, and let's go ahead and so I'm logging in as the admin because I want to set up some few things, then we'll go ahead and make everything so okay. I don't even know which one is it, but let's try. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so that's it. All right, so let's come to the payment. Let's say pricing plan. Let's say pricing plan right here. Okay, Okay, let's come to settings, payment settings. So let's come to payment gateway. So this is the SMTP where you can set up your SMTP. So I haven't set that up, so that's so bad. So let me quickly set up my SMTP. Okay, so let's update this. So it has been updated. So I want to test. This one is to get SMTP. So let's test mail. Let's send to pins policy. Pins policy at Gmail. Pins policy at gmail.com. So let's send a test mail. So once we do that, okay, test mail sent successfully. So let's go ahead and check if this was sent successfully, and if eventually sent successfully, okay, you can see pings as successfully. So thanks for setting up your email. So this is so awesome. You can see the logo, so everything works fine. So we can now go ahead and say, okay, we want SMTP should be working on our site. So if we come right here to our site settings, so any account we're going to create now, we're going to be sending SMTP. Okay, so I can come right here and say, okay, let me say app configuration. So let me say customer email verification. I want to turn this on. You can see what I'm doing right here. So I can go ahead and say I want to update the settings. Okay, that has been updated successfully. So we're talking about payment methods. So let's quickly go ahead and set up our payment gateway. So we have online payments, also have offline. So let's set up offline payments where they can actually make payment to our bank. So let me say this local bank. So let's say this bank payment. So I can say make your payment to the account below, right? So I can say account name is this, and let me put, so let me say that's it. So I'm gonna click on save right here. So I've created a payment method. You can also go ahead and say, okay, you want to create crypto. Let me say this is USDT, right? So let me say this is a custom payment. I can say make your deposit to make a deposit to the USDT wallet wallet address below. So I can go ahead and put in my wallet address, right? So let me say that's my wallet address below. So I can go ahead and make this one bold so that it will look different from every other text in the field. So I can say, then I'll put note using Tron TRC 20 network, right? So that's it. So I can say, okay, let me make this on board. So I can go ahead and save this payment method. So we've gotten two payment methods right now. So we have a crypto and we also have a local bank payment method. So this is so awesome. This is so slick. So I can go ahead and say, okay, let me check on the online payment also. So online payment method. So we have the PayPal. You're gonna put your credential. Flutterwave, you're gonna put your credential. Paste, you're gonna put your credential. Mojo, you're gonna put your credential. Able for your Razor Pay, your Stripe, so you can turn on Stripe. Okay. So you're gonna put also your Stripe. Are you getting it? So this is so awesome. We also have the SSL commands settings. You get. So I can also say Mojo, Molly setting. You can turn on as many payment methods. We also have the mid strand settings. So there's a lot of cool template that you're gonna love. A lot of cool template that you're gonna love. So this is so awesome. This is so slick. So let's say it does have the affiliate system. So let's go ahead and see the affiliates. So let's go to affiliate settings. Invite point 5, admin approval. Are you getting it? So this is so awesome. What else again? We also have the SEO. So if you come to the SEO, search engine optimization, we also have the search engine optimization. So on every page it has its own SEO. Okay, on every page it has its own SEO. So let's go down and see. We have the custom CSS and the custom JavaScript. So upgrade guide. So let's come to this upgrade guide. So we're about to upgrade a user. So okay, this is for upgrading of the site. So we have the compliance, we have the feedback, we have the mobile app configuration. So this is how you can actually configure your mobile. So we have the URL download, also have the iOS download. So you can just put in the link of your app, right, and you update it. So once they click on it, it's going to take them to the store where they can actually download your mobile app. So let's go ahead. We're actually doing, okay, let's go to the user right here. Let's say we want to, so let's go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, so let me say I want to pay now. I want to pay to this local bank. Please verify your email. So I can go ahead and say send mail again. So a link has been sent. So they say I should verify my account. You know, we did not verify this account initially, so we want to verify it now. So I can go ahead and verify my account. So I can go ahead and click on verify email address. So my email address has been verified. So I can actually go back to my site right here, and let me just refresh this because I'm already verified. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in from the other side for it to be. So it's pings policy at. So pings policy at Gmail. There, let me come right here. Okay, my account has been verified. So success verification correct. So let me go ahead. I can actually someone do want to upgrade our plan, right? So let's come to plan and billing. So $100 unpaid. So I can go ahead and make this payment. So let me say I want to use. So let me go ahead and say post listing. Let me see, I want to do post list. Let me see post listing. So you have reached your maximum. So you need to upgrade your plan. Okay. Okay, I need to log in as the admin back again and verify. I need to log in as the admin and verify this guy payment. So let me come to the mobile app right here. Let me come to the admin. So customer total verified account. So we need the deposit. So let's come on others. So we're gonna check it one after the other. So local bank, Prosper West. So the guy must have already copied the account, right? When he wants to make payment, he saw the account number, so he would have made the transfer and click on pay now. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, so we can mark as paid, right? So we saw the alerts. Now it's gonna be marked as paid. We can also chat. We can actually chat the user, right? We can actually chat the user and say, okay, we are yet to see your payment, so you have to can download the Elementor. Maybe I can use Mega, or I can use my Google Drive. Okay, if it's my Google Drive, I can just go to where my Google Drive link is. So let me say I want to upload my Elementor Pro somewhere. Okay, let me show you guys how you can actually use your own site to do this. So if I come to my File Manager right here, right, so I can create a folder called downloads, or let me say uh, let me create a folder. I can call this folder apps to download, right? And I click on create. So inside the apps to download, I will just enter it. So there's nothing here. I can just upload all the apps I actually want. So I can click on select file. So let me look for my Elementor Pro. So this is Elementor Pro, right? So that's the Elementor Pro. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do all of this, and it's so slick, so awesome. So this is so great. So now just watch what I'm going to do. So once I click on view, no, this is not what I want to do. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to browse this folder. Just watch your Control A, Control C. I want to show you guys how you can actually use your own site as. So once I click here, just watch what I'm going to do. Okay, it says not found. There's something I want to show you guys how to do real quick. Or you can create a subdomain. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you what I mean. So we're gonna create a subdomain. So let's call this domain. I want to make you guys understand how you can actually do things perfectly and properly. So let me say I want to create a subdomain, okay? And let me call this apps to download. So I can say apps to download dot so I can go ahead and click on submit. So since that has been created, so I can go to apps to download, right? Just watch what I'm about to do. So let me just go back right here and just move that file, so I can carry this file and put it right here. Okay, so now that is inside here, so if I browse this particular subdomain, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So you see, so from here, if the user just double click on it or just one single click, what's gonna happen? Start downloading. Okay, it start downloading. So insecure download blocked is because my SSL is not yet on this site. SSL is not yet on this site, so I can click on keep and that has been downloaded. So now I can copy this link. I see what I'm doing. I can copy this link and let's go back to this user right here, and I'm going to paste this link. Okay, so very soon the SSL will be installed, so I'm going to put my HTTPS. So for each one you can ensure that, so that you don't put your apps in one place so that all of them will not download all the apps at the same time. So you can create each subdomain for each, right? Or if you don't want, you can use Mega, you can use all those, even Google Drive. You can have your softwares on Google Drive. You put the Google Drive link right there. Okay, so everything you just got to do is smartly, and you click on save and next. So ensure that the requirements are met. The category field is required, so let's choose a category. So let me say this on script and softwares. So select brand. Let me say WordPress theme. So let's go and click on save and next. So let's say this is Nigeria. So as you can see, it actually brought the map. So this is an automated process. So the next thing is image gallery. So we can actually upload. So I can go right here and say Elementor logo, Elementor Pro logo. So if I click this one right here, I'm gonna wait. Okay, now the image has fully loaded up, so I can go ahead and save this image. You see what we're doing? So we're doing awesomely great right here. Oh, open image in a new tab. No, save as. That one I want to do. So this is a web image, so I don't need this. Let me use this one. Let me check this. I need a JPEG or a PNG. This is also a webby. Let me try this. So if this one did not save, okay, this is a PNG. I will just be very, very directive to what I want. So let me upload. So I come to download right here. I can upload this. So gallery, you must upload an image up to that PNG. So I can go ahead and upload this also. So video URL, if any. Let me see if I have that. Yes, I don't. Featured. So I can go ahead and save and next. Please upload at least 2 to 5 images. Oh wow. Alright, so let's go again and do the same process. Let's add another one. Let's add it again, since that's what they want. Let's even add. Stop playing. So video URL, I can put the same link to the downloaded file. So I can say this Elementor, then I click on save and next. So this is how you create an ads. So contacts and promotion. So phone number, I have a phone number for WhatsApp. I have a different let me just put my WhatsApp number so I can be contacted. That's my email address. Featured list, yes, highlighted. So I can go post listing right now. Alright, so it actually has been posted. So let's come here and say software and listing. So you can say Elementor Pro on $50. So once a user click on it, so you can see this user, you can say quick view. So you can see software and script. So once you make your payment, so you can go ahead and say you want to send a message to this guy right here. So I can say I need the plug I need a plugin. You can't send message to yourself. Okay, so it will be a new user that we're gonna, so you can actually copy this link and go and download it, right? So if that is share listing, so if you don't want the if you don't want it to be here, you can just put a video of it, because they say you should put a video link on how to use it. So I can go ahead and change this link to, let me say, a video tutorial of mine, right? If you don't want it to be, that is, if you want to give this off for free, you can just put the direct download link right there. But you can put a tutorial on how to use Elementor Pro, how to use Elementor properly, how to be an Elementor expert. So you can actually put a tutorial video link right there, not the download link. So they need to chat you, then once they make the payment, boom, they can be able to download. So we can actually check the location. So never prepare for deliveries physically, expect goods seller before payment. Template cookies connected with the seller and buyer, not responsible for transaction. So this is also awesome. This is also slick. So let's come right here. So this is how you can add. You can do ads for jobs. You can do ads for promotion. You can do ads for so many kind of things. So this project is also awesome. So slick. This is exactly what you need. This is exactly what you want for your ads, promotion, ad listing website. So if you come right here, you can also see the about us, the promotion, the contact us page, and all of those great pages that you can actually reach out to, right? You can see all of this. So this is also awesome. So if you come to software and script, you can see Elementor Pro. So as many you can add, as many you're gonna have. Okay, so your site receives payment, is create affiliate. So this guy right here can actually affiliate someone. Okay, you can say become an affiliator. So create link, you can go ahead and create link. So I can go ahead and say generate a link. So it's going to generate a link for me. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to use it to refer somebody. So this link has been copied. So let's go ahead, let's copy this link right here again, and let's open a new let's say this one right here. So what mail is this? So this pinkselectronics@gmail.com. So we can go ahead and paste the link. So now we've pasted this link, so we're gonna sign up. So let me see, pngsmarket@gmail.com. Okay, so let's come right here and click on sign up. So we need to verify this email. So let's come right here and let's check our mailbox. You can see the SMTP is very prompt. It doesn't take seconds for our mail to drop on. So I'll go ahead and say I want to verify this email. So this email has been verified. So let's come right here and let's, so 5,005 points. So I can say I want to redeem points. So I can redeem. I have 5,000. So 5,000 is equal to what? $2. Ha 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 ha. Little man, that little man. So I can go ahead and redeem. So I have $2, $2, $2. So account balance. So I can say I want to buy package. Okay, they can actually use their money to buy package. They ain't gonna withdraw it, but they're gonna use it to create. So they can use it to make ads. Okay, they can actually use this to make ads. This is so awesome. This is so slick. I love this project so dearly. I love. So let's say plans and billings. Let's come right here and so let's come to account settings. You can see this so awesome. So the user can go ahead and delete his account. So I love this project. I love what we're doing right here on this channel. So let's come back here to the admin and see we have sellers report. Okay, we have sellers report. We have listing, out ads, active ads, pending ads, sold ads, resubmitted listing. We have categories. We have custom field. We have brands. You can go ahead and add brand, like as we added WordPress theme. So you can go ahead and say WordPress plugin. You can say WordPress. Let me say this will be plugin. Right, so I can go ahead and create this. So next time I'm going to create this, so I can say PHP script, PHP script. Right, so I can go ahead and so you can create as many brands. Then you come right here to list report categories: offense, content, fraud, duplicate ads, all that. So this is also we have the content management. So we have the about us page. So on the home, the slider, you can go ahead and add more sliders. So these are the sliders on our home page. You can go ahead and add more sliders. Right, so login and registration, coming soon, maintenance, error pages, footer. This is so awesome. This is awesome. This is so slick. So as you can see right here, this is the project and this is the project. Right, this is a project I'm going to show you guys, and this is the zip file right here. So it's 91.87 megabytes. So once you already upload the file from this upload button right here, you just click right here and you're gonna extract it. Once it has been extracted, you come to the env file. You're gonna edit the env file, right? So once you edit it, you're gonna put in your database credentials. So this is my database and this is my database user and this is my admin password. Okay, then this is my app name. You can go ahead and put, okay, this is what showed that error that time. This is not our app URL. That is why when we were setting up that, okay, let's go ahead and, oh, now I've seen. So this is our app URL. So I was the one that made error. I did not change this. So we're supposed to change this. That is why it showed that error that this was not recognized. So this is our app URL. So I can go ahead and create save changes. So that's me. We're going to create another ads again. We're going to create another ad. So the symbol of our currency, so I can change this to NGN, which is naira symbol. On the left, language EN, which is English. So this is our SMTP. So this is so awesome. This is so slick. So once you've edited this, next thing you want to do is you want to get your SQL file. So to get your SQL file, so let me show you guys where you can actually get your SQL file. So you come to database right here. Okay, it's not in database. Okay, it was in the folder. It was in a folder before. Now it was in a folder. Okay, so to get our SQL file, okay, it was in a folder. It was in a folder. Let me show you guys. So, um, let me say, okay, let me not just wait. Let me not. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to extract this file. I'm going to start installing it from the scratch. So let's select all. So I want to start how we can actually develop this exact project. So I'm going to select all. I'm going to unselect this right here, and I'm going to delete everything here so that we can actually start from the scratch once more again. So I can delete this permanently. So if I right click right here and I extract, so I'm going to extract this file. I want to start from the beginning again so that you guys can actually see what we did, how we got our ad listing website set up successfully. So next I'm going to do, I'm going to close this and I'm going to browse my site right now. So I need to set up my SMTP and I need to set up everything right now. So I need to put in my database and the rest. I need to put in my database and the rest. Okay, so let's quickly do that. So let's copy our database. So let's come to our database right here. So we already have a database, so let's copy that and use it real quick. So before then, I want to quickly do something. Okay, let me just copy this database. So this is our database and this is our database user. So let's paste this for our database. So I already know the password. Then I've come right here to the user. So this is the user right here. So I can go ahead and save these changes. As you can see, it just opened up successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do is, you can see over here to your, you need to change this, which is not as. So you can come right here and you copy your URL. You know, we've not closed all this page, we open them initially. So I can come right here to URL and change our URL to this. The next thing I'm going to do is I can say this pngs ads, so I can go ahead and save these changes. And the next I'm going to do is php admin, so I come right here and say php, then I come to php admin right here. So I can go ahead and let me actually export this SQL file. So format SQL. So my SQL file has been exported successfully. So you can see. So I can resume. Let me resume this. So that has been exported. So this is our SQL file. So right now I can come right here. So you can see it has a lot of SQL file. You can see it has a lot. So I can go ahead and drop all of this. Let me just drop all of this real quick. So I'm gonna check all, come right here and drop. So I can go ahead and say yes, I want to drop everything right here. So all has been dropped. So I'll come back right here, select all again, and I'm going to drop. Check all, select, drop. So no table found. So if I click right here, so there's no table found, I'll come right here and I'll click on import. So I can just click this right here and import this SQL file. So our SQL file is being importing. So as you can see, our SQL file is being importing. So we're gonna wait until our SQL file is imported successfully. So our SQL file has been imported successfully. So since our SQL file has been exported successfully, as you can see, this is so slick, this is awesome. So if we come back right here and let's browse our site. So our site has been imported successfully. So latest, so but some files are missing, which are images and the likes. So I'm gonna show you guys, because of those ones we uploaded, all of those, so we've lost a lot of uploads. So thank you guys for watching. If you love what we're doing this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. It's Prosper right here again. Like, share, and comment. If you have any difficulty or you want to reach out to any reason, you can ask in the comment section below. And if you need access to this resource also, you can actually reach me out. My WhatsApp number is going to be on the video description and also on my channel profile. And boom, you're going to have that straight away. So love you guys. See you guys in the next video.